Meaning of ingratiatingly.
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 Ingratiatingly. The term ingratiatingly refers to a behavior or attitude that is meant to win favor or approval from someone else. It's often connected with flattery, praise, or other forms of exaggerated politeness. When someone behaves ingratiatingly, they are trying to put themselves in the good graces of another person, often at the expense of their own integrity or authenticity. This behavior can result in creating a false sense of friendship or trust, and may ultimately lead to disappointment or betrayal when the true motives behind the ingratiating behavior become clear.